This Kia Soul replacement rim is absolutely perfect. It is identical in size and weight and feel and look and function to the original. Absolutely could not be happier. Um, this is really like on this Kia Soul, this just completes the remodel of this car and just really brings it back to life. Super happy with this. Like I said, these are just absolutely identical to the originals. I checked them in every way. I checked the specs, I checked the look, even kind of like did the plink test, even kind of flicked it with my finger to see what the sound was, to see what the alloy was, to see the thickness of the aluminum wall and actually check. But yep, it looks to be pretty much the same part. So really, really good replacement and super happy with the function and the handling and even at high speeds, no bumpiness, no issues whatsoever so far. So good replacement wheel. Super happy with these rims. And yeah, definitely have to give these ones a thumbs up. Let me see. It looks like they might be wearing a little bit more than the originals, but I'm not sure if that's just because they're the rear tire or that's because they're the replacement.